Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tezos coin. Previously, we saw that the price line of Tezos broke out a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. This was the video, and at that time, the price line was breaking out the resistance. And let me show you the chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I also shared with you as well here in the form of video on 30th of November, and you can see that the price line was breaking out the resistance, and our first target was $6.80, and the second target was here at the tail of this falling wedge at $8.87. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that we had very strong support here. Therefore, I set my stop loss below this level, and you can see that the price line has tested this level and also tested the support of this falling wedge, and now it has again rallied very well and broke out the same resistance of the falling wedge, tested the previous resistance, previous support of the falling wedge here, and rallied again and broke out the same resistance. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, the live daily time frame chart, then still this falling wedge is still valid, and our targets will be the same. Our first target is $6.80 at first resistance, and the second target will be, which I am expecting that the price line will hit this target, is $8.87. However, we can change our stop loss because previously, before this breakout, this was our recent swing low before this breakout. Now we have this recent swing low before the breakout, so we can set our stop loss below this level, that is approximately $3.66. And right now the price line has broken out this resistance of this falling wedge, and also broke out this exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. And you can see that after a long time frame, after a long time period, the price line has broken out this EMA 21. Here the price line broke it down on 11th of October, or you can say that here the price line broke it down on 17th of October, and it was being rejected again and again by this resistance of the EMA 21. Here for a while, when we had this previous fake out, the price line broke out for a while, this EMA 21 as well, but right now the price line has again broke it out, and I'm expecting that this time this EMA 21 will be also helpful for the price line, and it will lift the price line to the upside like previously it has been doing whenever the price line breaks out this EMA 21. Like recently we had this breakout when the price line broke out this resistance of the EMA 21 in the month of July 2021. The price action was testing this EMA 21 as a support again and again, and it was moving above this support of EMA 21. This time it can again work as a long-term support for the long-term rally. And you would be also observing that here I have also placed a trend line that is in fact a resistance that the price line has found here. And recently when we had this previous fake out, the price line was rejected by this resistance that is approximately at $5.86, and right now the price line is again at this resistance. And previously this resistance has been working as a nice support, like previously it has been working as a support here and somehow here as well, and here it has been working as a resistance. So sometimes it has been working as a resistance, here it has been working as a support, and right now it has again turned into the resistance. And after this breakout from this resistance of $5.86, we can expect that a big move will be started, and I'm expecting that soon it will break out this resistance as well, because it has broken out this very long-term resistance of the falling wedge as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.